So I'm going to show you how to increase the RAM of your Xiaomi 17 Pro. Now you can do this by sacrificing some of the internal storage and use it as extra RAM. So you want to go into settings. Under settings, scroll down to additional settings, tap on that, and then go to memory extension, tap on that, and this is where you'll see how much space you can take from your internal storage and use it as RAM. Now by default, you can see that's already 6 gigs. It's going to be off for most people. Okay, so you can just turn that off, or you can go and increase that to 8 gigs or even 12 gigs to add to the already 12 gigs of storage, of RAM that you already have on the phone. So once you select what you want, tap on reboot and your phone will restart and allocate that piece of internal storage as extra RAM for your phone. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and good luck.